So first I will share how to make corners round for a square image, and then I will share how to make corners round for a horizontal image. Both have somewhat different process, so please stick to the end to follow both the process and learn from it. So let's start with the square image. And the square image is very easy to do, and you have to just click on corners rounding, and as you drag the slider, as you can see the corners are getting rounded. But if you want to make it more round, you can just increase the numbers here. Like if I increase to 200, you can see more roundness is coming here in the image. And if I click it to 400, you can see the circle is getting happening, and you can just make the image a circle image by just using the corner rounding process. And this is what you can do for every square image. But what to do for the horizontal image like this? So as you can see, the height is 576 and the width is 830 now. So if we crop it more, okay, and let's make it to 576. So this one is done. So now you can just do the same process in the square image, and you can just make the same. Okay, so this one is done. But what if you don't want to make the cropping part and you find it a bit difficult to make the cropping? So what you can do for that is just scroll down here to find the frames here, and from here you can just select your rounded frame and the circle frame here, and you can just use them like this. I am just adding it and just making it in the center. You can get this part, or for the circle one you can just do the same. Bring the image to the circle and just adjust it. So this you can do, but the easiest process is no doubt this one, which you can do with the cropping part. So I hope you learned something out of this, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.